Hey, what's up, you guys? Today, Apple showcased iOS 18 at their WWDC event in California, and we're taking a first look at some of the new features that will be coming this fall for most iPhone users. So guys, starting with the home screen, as you can see, it looks pretty typical, but you can actually edit things a lot more than you previously could. If you click Edit and Customize, you can actually now change what is assigned to the bottom of the screen. So you have the flashlight icon and then you have the photos icon, but say I didn't want the flashlight icon, I can X that out right there. And I can add a new thing there. So we can do calculator, alarm, home, shortcuts, and so much more. And this is something that people have been asking for forever, so it's not that surprising that they finally did it. So if I just assigned home and click done, I can then click the home button and it'll open directly to home. And this could be done for tons of different apps. This is just an example. So in addition to that feature, you can now freely organize your apps however you want, including spaces. So if you just click edit home screen, you can now freely put them wherever you'd like to frame whatever photo you have in your background. I, of course, want this picture of my dog to be front and center. So I'm just gonna bring it right down. And now I can see him perfectly how he is. Look how cute he is. His name's Tyrion. He says hi. And not only that, you can actually customize things even more by clicking the edit button and clicking the customize. So if you, by default, which most people would have everything to light mode, you can actually click dark and it will change all Apple stock apps to a dark look to match your aesthetic that you appreciate. So this works for stock Apple apps, but as the update comes out and more people tinker with it, all your other apps should be able to do it over time. But it doesn't stop there. You can actually do even more. So if you click the tinted section, you can actually change all the apps at once to match whatever color you appreciate. So if you want like a green to match the background, but you want a less saturated, you just put it like that. I can make it blue, gray, anything that you want to do, you basically can. And you can also change the size of all your icons. It actually takes away the labeling, so business, Gmail, all of that, but it gives you a nicer, sleeker look, which I think a lot of people will tend to appreciate. So from there, you can actually do even more now with your control center that looks like this. And I know this looks a little messy, but you could actually do a lot here to make things better for yourself and your organization. So if I wanted to change things up, I can just click the plus button over here, and I could actually change the size of a lot of these things that you can interact with. So the screen mirroring, I could do Shazam, make notes bigger, move things around, remove them. It's a lot of customization, and you're not even limited to what you see here. So if you click over these icons on the side, you can make custom icons and things to interact with depending on what you are looking for. So you can go down to music, your home appliances, your cellular connection and Wi-Fi and all that. And it's really that customizable. You could do whatever you want here. Now, in addition to that, you can actually open up the photos menu for a brand new look. Here, they made everything simple in the sense that there's not a million tabs. You have your main photo feed, and then as you scroll down, it'll give you things like recent days, pets and people, pinned collections, and a whole bunch of custom memories that they built, as well as special events like they'll say trips, albums, shared albums, and featured photos, which is great. And these are also customizable. So in regards to messaging, there's a lot added here as well, including RCS, which will improve the images and your connection with people who use Android phones, which is a great benefit, especially if you know an Android user. Other than that, you can actually look at the tapbacks. If you hold down, there are some new images and even more tapbacks. You can basically tap back with any emoji that you might have, which is great. Obviously, this will only work if everyone is on the iOS 18 update. But for now, I'm just gonna give a love. And then in addition, you can actually now schedule text messages. So right here, we have a text message tomorrow at 9 a.m. I could easily just go, hey, I love you. And I can click send. And now it shows up in this little dotted box that it's ready to be sent in the morning. There are also some new text effects. So if you want to type out something like, I think you are awesome, you can just highlight or select the word you want to give an effect to, click the little icon to the side, and it will basically do whatever animation you choose down below. So if I click explode, I can click it and you see how it adjusts the image depending on the effect you are looking for, which I think is just a cool way to get things across to people, another customization option, which is always great. And other than the stuff I've shown you, there's actually different features that will also benefit people that come out around the same time iOS 18 actually gets released. And that has to do with AI. Apple is going all in with their AI and using all the technical knowledge they know to basically have its AI run directly off your iPhone. This is in comparison to other companies where your AI request sometimes goes up to a cloud and they're able to see exactly what you're requesting, and then it comes back. But this will operate strictly off your iPhone, and if there's something that your iPhone is unable to do, it'll actually ask you if you are okay with them using ChatGPT to find the answer you're looking for. Yeah, guys, so that's basically everything that's currently available and some of the future stuff that is going to be planned, but there is so much more that Apple is planning to implement as soon as that Apple artificial intelligence comes into its beta phase when the official iOS 18 software releases. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below because I'll be happy to answer them. And if you want any more content on future updates, definitely let me know because I am more than happy to do that. So if you want to be kept in the loop, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like to help push this to other people. I really would appreciate it. It does benefit the channel. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.